Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American vowel sound as in the word put. You can also hear this sound in words like push, book, wolf, or could. We'll be using a special phonetic symbol, for this sound. The sound exists in less than 20% of the world's languages. That's why people often confuse it with the sound, as in the word blue. Let's see if you can distinguish between them. Fall, fool. Can you tell the difference? If you're not quite sure, let's start with learning how to make the sound. Okay, to pronounce the sound, you should focus on the correct position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Slightly open your mouth, round your lips, and relax them. Pull your tongue back in your mouth and relax it. Lift the back of your tongue toward the roof of your mouth. Remember, the is a relaxed sound, so your tongue and lips should be relaxed, and your tongue should be pulled back. Now let's try saying it. Now let's practice this sound in some words. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation, like this, book. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word, if you want to. Let's begin. Brook, bowl, bush, cook, could, crook, foot, fall, good, hood, hoof, hook, look, looked, looks, pour, pull, pulls, push, pushed, put, shook, should, stood, sure, took, wolf, wood, wool. You're done. Congratulations. By the way, did you know that the sound is most frequently written as the letter U? The sound is represented by the letter U, as in the word put, in 45% of cases. Almost the same percentage of words with this sound is written as the combination of the letters OO, as in the word book. The remaining 10% are split between the letter O, as in the word wolf, and the combination of the letters OU, as in the word could. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Stay tuned on our Sounds American channel. A cook stood in a brook.